Hello friends, I have another little video and lesson for you today. Not really a lesson, I just want to read a book and I want to check up on the project that we started on Friday with our flowers in food coloring. So let's start off by doing that. I'm going to turn the camera around and take a look at what we got. Right down here. Now, I learned some interesting things from this. First off, you can see how the flowers have changed color. They've got blue in them, which is very interesting. This is one of the things that I learned from it. We put in what color food coloring? We put in purple. But the color that came out in the white flowers is blue. Purple is one of our secondary colors. The two primary colors that we use to make purple are red and blue. So I guess it makes sense that some of the blue would come through. I thought that it would actually turn purple. I didn't think that it would separate. Now, one thing I mentioned was checking out what happened to the centers of the flowers because they already had some color on them. Now, if we go in a little bit closer, where is it? There it is. You can see that on this one, there isn't a whole lot of blue in the colored parts, but the center is a little bit darker. The color is darkened a little bit. Now on this one down here, you can see that there is a beautiful little line of blue that appeared in the yellow part of the flower. We learn something every time we do an experiment. One other thing you can look at is down here. Do you see this piece of tape? That is where the water level was when we first put it in. And the water has gone down from here all the way down to here. So that much water has been absorbed up into the flowers, and you see how it goes all the way out to the very tips. That's where the highest concentration of the dye ended up on all the flowers. Also found it interesting that the snowbells didn't really take very much. You can see only a little bit of blue showed up in those snowdrops or snowbells. Let's come over here. We're going to read a book, another book about gardening. Since it's spring, gardening seems like a wonderful thing to talk about. This is Inch by Inch, the garden song. Now, some of you may know this as a song, because it is a song, but David Mallet wrote down the words, and then Ora Eaton drew some wonderful pictures for it. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Inch by Inch, the garden song. Here's a bunch of different things you could find in a garden. Vegetables mostly. Some butterflies. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. Pulling weeds, picking stones. We are made of dreams and bones. Feel the need to grow my own, 'cause the time is close at hand. Grain for grain, sun and rain, find my way in nature's chain. Tune my body and my brain to the music from the land. Plant your rows straight and long, temper them with prayer and song. Mother Earth will make you strong if you give her love and care. Old Crow watching hungrily from his perch in yonder tree. In my garden, I'm as free as that feathered thief up there. This gets a little harder when you get to the end of the book because the book has to close on me. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. And this book actually has the music in it, which is kind of neat. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to include a link to a video of this song being done on The Muppet Show. It's a really wonderful one. I believe it's John Denver singing it, if I remember correctly. But I will search that, and I'll find that and put it on there. It's very fun. It's something that I think both you, kids, will enjoy, and maybe some of your parents will enjoy too. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and keep on having fun. Try not to be too wild, and I will talk to you again soon.